All right, guys, we got another call today. We're heading to what is supposed to be a plugged garbage disposal. I'm only a few minutes away. Been running around doing a few other service calls that I just couldn't shoot as far as a video goes. This one I'm gonna try, do my best. Like I said, put the customers first. I don't flash a camera around, and I don't have a camera guy to really do that anyways. So the customer comes first, but let's see what we've got here. Clogged garbage disposal. It's probably just out of experience, not a very major call. Obviously they could have misinterpreted what's going on to us over the phone, but we're gonna go there, and I have a feeling it's gonna be super simple. Let's check it out. Coming up, coming up. Not there. I don't think it's got one. Do you use it very often?
I mean, it kind of seems like
A little bit of diagnostic on this garbage disposal today. The obvious things: I reset the trip, tried to run it, it's clogged. Used the Allen wrench to spin it, and it's very difficult to spin. And then I turned it on to see if it would clear. It won't clear. It's pretty corroded in there. Needs a new disposal. So at this point, I'm giving her a few options. Does she want to do a full replacement with new upgraded disposal, a 3/4 horse, a new mount ring? And she's calling me now. I'll check in after I talk. So as I was saying, we really need to replace it. So I gave her an option to do the full replacement with our 3-year in-house warranty, the replacement without the mount ring, which is a little bit less, and a 2-year warranty that we offer. Or we could go to just a basket strainer and do away with the disposal for, it's like basically 600 range to the 300 range for the most minimal option with the 1-year standard warranty. So just got off the phone with her. She wants to go with the best option, keep this thing running smooth. So we're going to upgrade this disposal to a nice 3/4 horse Badger 1, get this done, and we'll have a happy tenant, happy customer. So we'll go ahead and get this changed. Strapped up. Hey buddy, just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. As a service plumber, I know there's a lot of little tips and tricks that we need to learn together to become more efficient. So I believe you can do it. I'll see you on the next one, and I'm going to keep showing you how to hone in your service plumbing skills so that you can make more money, take care of your family better, and have a smoother experience in this roller coaster called service plumbing. We'll see you on the next one.